Hi guys! Hope you haven't missed us too much. We've been super busy actually just enjoying the sights and doing everything on our trip here. We've made it to Las Vegas, done so many cool things already, eaten at amazing places, and at the moment we've gone and made our way to downtown Las Vegas at the Fremont Experience because we've heard of this place which is called Heart Attack Grill. Now it is probably as epic or as crazy as it sounds. We've just seen the outside and there's a couple of things that you need to know before we're going to take you inside. First of all, the name, they chose it for a reason. The people that serve you are nurses. You get a hospital gown on and you get served the meals that honestly will clog your arteries just reading the menu. They've got the Guinness World Record of the burger with the highest calorie count, which is just under 10,000 calories in one single burger. I know, ridiculous, eh? And they've got a couple of things. They've got some big scales outside, and if you weigh more than 350 pounds, you eat for free. Now, Dom and I together didn't make it. Like, both of us on the scales, not even 350 pounds.
Because there's nothing of me.
So we've also been told that if you order and you don't finish your burger, you get spanked. That, yep, you heard that right. They get a paddle out and they spank you if you don't finish your meal. So we're going to have to be quite conservative in what we order, I feel.
The aim of the game is not to be healthy, it's to be the most unhealthiest you can be.
Is half a pound. It is deep fried in pure lard and
pure lard.
Pure lard.
Deep fried.
Deep fried.
The burger is deep fried in pure lard.
Yeah.
Okay. So you're slamming on the calories there.
Yeah, you're just so that's the point of it. And you can share any of the bigger burgers, only the small one and the chili dog.
You can share this.
And the chili dog.
You can share this and this. You can share.
The bigger ones cannot be shared.
Boom. Okay.
You are required to wear a hospital gown throughout your whole stay here, and it's casual.
What happens if you don't finish your burger?
You get spanked.
You get spanked 3 times.
By your nurse. So choose wisely.
It's me here, just putting some context around these burgers. The quadruple bypass, 4 half-pounder burgers, stacked with bacon, onions, cheese, tomatoes, deep fried in lard, full fat, the whole shebang, bun, world record 9,900 calories. You can add 40 bacon slices. Beep.
Just in case you thought you couldn't make a bigger ass of yourself in Vegas, the drinks, jello shots in syringes, prescription bottles for your bigger shots, or otherwise you can have your wine in an IV bag.
So there's just cutting this burger up because we're sharing it. We've got half a pound of meat, half a pound of patty, chili con carne, tomato, cheese, rations of bacon, I think it's half a tomato in there, chips, and this tub of ice cream for a milkshake. Scale. Fucking good burger.
Super tasty.
Radical.
The food here, sadly enough, is way too good. It is to die for. That's so right, Becca. She's got it right. Best hospital.
Best chili, best burger. It actually is. It's like falling in love with a heart attack. Sorry to all those people who have a heart attack. This is bad.
This is like so good. I get, like, apart from the fact that the concept is amazing, the food is epic. To be honest, I think you're quite sad that it's finished, aren't you?
I am, because it's super tasty.
Well, if we were staying longer, I fear we'd be back here quite often, in a heartbeat, until we flatline. Okay, enough with the puns. Let's cut it out.
Queen of jokes.
Anyway,
give me some of that shake.
it's been a while, but if you want to keep up to date, just like, subscribe, bottom button, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye! Ready? Ready! I didn't expect that one to be that hard. I'm not even trying. Wait, I need to capture from this angle. I'm really not even trying.
Well, you best try this time.
You want your best one? You want me to
Finish on the best.
Knock it out, come on. There you go. Hey,
That was good. Fuck you.